Yo, welcome back. So today I'm gonna try, it's probably gonna be like 2 or 3 days, but I'm gonna try to I got some JDM power folding mirrors for my Integra. For y'all that don't know, I have a 91 Integra. I've been looking for these for a really long time, and I finally came across them. It's probably been a couple of years. On my old Integra, I wanted them, never could find them like completely all together with like the mirrors, the switch, the relay, everything. But I found these on eBay. Some dude was selling them and they're really good condition. Actually have like the pigtails and everything. Let me show you. So these are the mirrors. I just taped them up because I'm about to paint them. What's nice is my car's black, so I don't have to do much. I'm just gonna sand them down, prime them, then paint them black. But has the 5 wires. I remember like a year ago, I actually bought a pair from somebody that told me they were them. I didn't know much about them at the time, but they were just regular power mirrors. There's 5 here, it's hard to tell. And then on top of it, like one thing I looked up that people always talk about is that they're really heavy, which these are pretty heavy. So yeah, I'm just gonna paint them up. It's the switch. I already have one in my car. I have a feeling that mine is a little bit better than this. So I just gotta attach one of the wire. I believe it's this one right here. Looks like his are like they already had one in there. I can't tell. So maybe I can just take that out. But yeah, this is already, like I said, this is already in my car. And then I just gotta do the wiring. I have the relay. I also picked these up. JDM fender lights, corner lights, or not corner lights, yeah, fender lights, whatever you want to call them. These are actually really, really nice. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do this today, but this will be coming soon. So yeah, knock out the paint. So, I'm doing the wiring ahead of time because I saw this write-up online of this guy who did it. I've seen a few write-ups and they're almost all the same. So I have to run a power and a ground to the mirrors in order for them to work off the relay and the button. So what I did was I just got some black and red, twisted it all the way. I did some electrical tape on here. This is just because I have to put it through the door. I'm gonna leave, I don't know, about like a foot or maybe 2 empty. Not empty, but not wrapped with electrical tape. I'll probably start like here and then go all the way across, because at some point I'm gonna need to splice here somewhere in order to connect it to the relay. Yeah, so I just did the primer. I let them sit for about an hour. Just realized that there's a few spots that didn't get sanded too well. That's what I get for sanding in the middle of the night. This one's actually better, but still, it's where my impatience is bad. I want to get them done already, but I should have just waited till the sun was out. But next is paint. So it's the next day. Yeah, the paint job did not come out good at all. That's what I get for kind of rushing it and also it being dark. But I'll just redo it again. I just want to get these plugged in and make sure they actually work. So what I did was I cut the pigtails off of this one. I have another set of mirrors anyway, and plus it's just wire. I can just rewire it. I should be soldering it, but I don't have a solder. So I'm just gonna use my little crimps and put them together. Electrical tape it so I don't have to worry about it. And then these will be plugged in, and then I just gotta run wires to the relay and everything with this. So we'll do that real quick. All right, so the pigtails, I connected them. They're on here, plugged into here. That's why I want to do that. Way cleaner that I can unplug it and plug it back in. The only thing that sucks is I might have to find a different type of wire that I can connect and disconnect and put on these. But I got power, ground. Gonna try to run it through the door, out through the grommet on the side here, so that way I can put it inside through the top. And I don't see it, but I gotta find it. Gotta change out the relay. I have a JDM relay that connects, that way the button works. And then I already tested the mirrors, both of them work. I just gotta do this. Oh, the other one is nice too, so I might use that one. But yeah, clean. All right, so haven't even tested it yet. Fabian's here. Oh, Fabian. We ended up wiring everything. That was pretty easy. That was just the pigtails that I showed you before. Then we got power and ground. I ran it through. Power and ground goes all the way over to the other one, but you can't see it. Then I figured out the relay. So we got one switch going straight to the button on here. It's connected to the button. And then we got power and ground, and then we also got tapped into the wires to control everything. And it's gonna be the first time we're gonna try it and see what happens. Nothing. Does the car need to be on? Oh, I don't have to hold it. I think I just have to press it. Huh? I think I just have to press it, not hold it.
You were holding it?
Yeah. Yeah. That's gangster. Can't put the window down.
Oh, shit.
Alright, he's gonna press the button and do it. That's weird, huh?
I think it's because the cable is really long.
So I was editing and I just kind of wanted to explain a little bit better of what I did exactly. The power folding mirrors are installed. I did everything. The hardest part was the wiring. The wiring was a little bit difficult, but once I kind of figured it out, it's super easy. I'll put a picture of the diagram I followed. That'll make it a lot easier. So to make it super simple, it was just taking off the stock mirrors, put the power folding mirrors on. I spliced off that little connection from the stock mirrors, put it onto the JDM mirrors, so you match those colored wires the same exact color. And then I put the 6-foot twisted wire, the power and the ground, connected the left one to the right one, so they're connected. Then I went and I did the relay. I connected the relay. So out of the 5 wires, so one is gonna connect to the actual button that controls it opening and closing, or I should say folding and unfolding. 2 wires are gonna be on the power and the ground on the actual switch for the mirrors. Then the other 2 are gonna be spliced into that 6-foot twisted wire that I did. And one goes to the power, one goes to the ground, and that's it. The relay does everything. I know in one of the clips that I put in this video, I said I was gonna pull the relay out and switch it. I had watched a very short video on YouTube from a guy doing this 6 years ago, and he said that he removed it and replaced it, which did not make any sense. I could not find anything. I looked underneath the dash, just no relay, so I just did it and plugged it in. Based off that wiring diagram that I posted, that's very helpful. I would either take a picture of it or something. But that's what I went off of. I followed each spot, each number, each letter, and made sure I matched it perfectly. And I was able to do it first try. Probably only took me an hour, minus the painting and everything. But yeah, super easy. I hope that's helpful. And like I said, if you have any questions, just hit me up. I'll reply.